Hey, everybody, let's take a look at your practice problems from yesterday. In your practice problems, you were assigned numbers 2 through 4. So let's take a second and let's look at those. Quadrilateral A has side lengths of 6, 9, 9, and 12. Quadrilateral B is a scale copy of quadrilateral A with its shortest side length of 2. What is the perimeter of quadrilateral B? Well, here's the shortest side length of this one. So now if we have a side length of 2, that means all of these should be scaled down by 1/3. So a third of that would be 2, a third of that would be 3, a third of that would be 3, and a third of that would be 4. So if we remember, the perimeter is add all sides. So that would equal 5, 8, 12. So the perimeter would be 12 units. Okay? 12 units would be the answer there. Here's a polygon on number 3. It says draw a scale copy of this polygon that has a perimeter of 30 units. What is the scale factor? Well, if I want 30 units, first thing I need to do is I need to find the perimeter of this one. So I have 1 unit, 2 units here, so that's 3. There's 4, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this figure has a perimeter of 10 units. So to get to 30, I know that I have to use a scale factor of 3. So I know that the scale factor is 3. So I've got to now draw it. So I have 3 here. 3 times 3 would be 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's a horrible line, I know. Right here at the bottom, I have 2 units. So using a scale factor of 3, that's going to be 6 units. This is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. This is 1, so I have to go over 3 there too. This is going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, look, it lines up right here. That's 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So it's going to look something similar to that. Hopefully your lines are a little straighter than mine. On question number 4, Priya and Tyler are discussing the figures shown below. Priya thinks that B and C and D are scale copies of A. Tyler says B and D are scale copies of A. Do you agree with either of them? Well, actually, if you look at what we've talked about with scale copies, none of them are. I don't think either Priya nor Tyler is correct because you can't find a scale factor in any of these. You see the one here, but 2 here. So that's not going to work. Right here's 1. Well, that's 2. Well, this would also have to be 2. So looking at this one, we have 2 units all the way across. The only one that you have that is a scale copy is D, because each dimension you multiply by 2, and so you would have a scale factor of 2. Neither of those people are correct because D is the only answer that is correct here.